So you remember the terrible Windows 10 installation video I made on this awful notebook? Well, guess what? I changed my mind. What am I gonna do? Well, that's simple. I have Windows Vista installation media on this USB key. You heard that right, I'm going to downgrade this back not to Windows 8, not to Windows 7, to Windows Vista. I know what you guys will say in the comments. Bro, Windows 7 is awesome, it's better than Vista, you should install it. Bro, I don't care, I prefer Windows Vista. If I want to install Vista, I will. And it is service pack too, so it should be worth it. Not forget to mention I already run Windows Vista on this thing back in the past. Well, it was the basic version, and it ran pretty badly on this thing. Yeah, it ran pretty bad. But I think I know why. It's because the hard drive was filled with data because it never got wiped. Yeah, this computer never got wiped, so probably all the data mixed with the Windows Vista installation was probably not the right thing to do. And upgraded straight from XP to Vista, so yeah, now I'm gonna do a Windows Vista and clean installation. Remember that this thing runs Windows 10 very badly, and that's the reason why I'm downgrading. Anyway, this thing is e-waste, what would you do with it? 9. Windows is loading files. I like that. So now we're going to proceed into the Windows Vista installation. This time I installed Ultimate and not Basic. I installed Basic just to test how it runs, but now I'm gonna install Ultimate. Alright, can I choose another language just for the sake of this video? Nope, I'm stuck with my native language. I'll just translate it to you. Installed. Oh guys, you want a good news? I don't have the product key for that. What should I pick? Yeah, Windows Vista Ultimate. Absolutely did not purchase that one. I agree. The terms of license. And now, next. Okay, so right now it's wiping the drive partition. Alright, so after fighting for finding some drivers and installing them and a compatible web browser, here we are on the Windows Vista desktop. As you can see, we have the iconic background Windows Vista wallpaper, the start menu with all of its apps. This one, as you can see, it has Windows Media Center. It's because I have the Ultimate version of Vista. I told you I installed the Windows Vista Ultimate version. Yeah, apart from that I tried to get Windows Aereo, but I realized this computer just couldn't get it. But right, let's do its purpose, its number one purpose, which is basically browse the web. I swear the performances on Windows Vista on this laptop are way better than Windows 10. I can assure you, because Windows 10 was horrible on that thing. And now I can do more stuff, I guess I can do more stuff, like, for example, starting Windows without waiting hours for it to start. And yeah, that's it. Does supermium works, please? I would like to get it working. Okay, so after a little while, it finally started. Supermium finally started on this laptop. I guess it took forever to load because it's the first time I'm loading supermium on this, you know. And so we're gonna see what's compatible websites for this laptop. For example, the one we all waste our time on, YouTube. Alright, now that we have access to YouTube, we can try to search for watching a video. We're going to watch a video. So, yes sir. It looks like it's doing something. That's nice. And it's absolutely not my YouTube channel, but thank you. Okay, so as you can see, it's quite laggy. Remember, it's an old laptop running an outdated operating system. And this browser is only an adaptation for this operating system. Alright. Oh, there he goes.
Hello, gamers. It is the wee guy here, and today I'm in.
So yeah, guys, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, please, if you want to see more content and better content than what I'm doing at right now. As you can see, we have all of my videos. Let's click on that one, I guess. Unless there's an advertisement that comes and wastes my YouTube watching experience.
the device. No, not that one. This one is my current laptop. There you go. Right, so here we go.
It was a great start. Then it started to fall apart when I put it in full screen. Yeah, how not to make a great start. And we lost it again.
Well, you know, this computer is pretty old. You are racist people. Well, anyway,
Well, as you can see, on normal screen mode, YouTube works pretty nice on this computer, but when you put it on full screen, it just dies instantly. I don't know if it's coming from the browser or the computer, or the operating system, but it's still a miracle that YouTube does work on this. I have to remember it's a 17-year-old laptop running Windows Vista on a modern web browser that is not meant to be on, and that runs YouTube. It's cool. Alright, second research. Yeah, of course. I'm pretty much able to find the website. Yes, exactly. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is try to log into Discord, and try to chat with my friends on Discord, I suppose. Oh my god. It's doing it, boys. It's doing it. Slowly, but it does. It does work. So there's a high possibility that it works, or not. Well, it looks like it does. So maybe by luck it should work. Or not. Hopefully it should work. Oh my god, it's so laggy. But yeah. Once it finishes to load the page, I'm gonna try to log in. Okay, log in. Jesus Christ, have I told you you're so slow? Oh, it looks like it's working. As I was about to say that it was a pleasure to get greeted by a Snow White page, but maybe it works? Haha! Okay, so what happens is that I'm currently on Discord, and I'm going to chat with one of my friends. There you go. It has been sent, which I think is nice. I don't know when will he answer me, but anyway. Hey, looks like he answered me. He answered me, so let's reply to that. Right, so now what I'm gonna do is check if any other website works besides Discord and YouTube. Let's, for example, load Twitter. Yes, tweeting is good. Unless my phone overheats again and tells me that it cannot record due to high temperatures. So Twitter is maybe about to work. I'm saying maybe it's about to work. Alright, so here's Twitter running. No, I don't care. Well, here's Twitter running on supermium on Windows Vista, as you can see. It runs pretty well. Well, pretty well. I take back what I said. It's terrible. Yeah, I could try to post something, but I don't want to. Yeah, Twitter runs okay on that, and I can access to my own account if I want to. Yeah, but make sure you're not too brutal with your computer, like this. Yeah, so Twitter, Discord, YouTube runs on that, and yeah, I guess that's nice. Yeah, I don't have any other examples of websites running through this web browser, but at least they seem to work, which is cool. Or maybe a last one. Twitch. I don't use Twitch. I just watch livestream on Twitch, but I don't livestream on Twitch. Oh god. Yeah, apart from the fact that it's laggy and it does not want to load, it's working. We did it, lads. It works. It works. It's so fantastic. It works. Yay. Yay, I said. It does not want to work. Okay, so apart from supermium, and you can see some websites are loading just fine, but some others, we can also run the programs that Windows Vista adds. For example, Windows Media Center. Yes, it does work on a computer, like this one, that I remember is terrible. I have to remember it to people. It's a terrible laptop that cannot even run correctly. Surprisingly on Vista it runs pretty well. It's because it's on Service Pack 2 32 bits. If it ever was on 64 bits, Service Pack 1 or something, I don't know what we'll have done. Or just Service Pack 2 at 64 bits. And it does run. It's smooth. As you can see, it runs. It's smooth. Which is surprising, sorry. It's surprisingly surprising. Yeah. I guess I can also run something like Minesweeper. Yes, Minesweeper. But yeah, Vista does work pretty well on a computer like this one. As long as it's not using Chromium or any other, well, supermium or any other third-party apps, it does work well. Another thing that sucks in this computer is that I couldn't get Ario to load. Ario doesn't load on this computer, it sucks. So I have the ugly 2D animations. Yes, nostalgia. I remember when I was a kid. Darn it! I remember when I was a kid, I used to have a desktop Windows Vista computer and play Minesweeper on that. So yeah. That's my favorite gaming PC game. Yeah, it's only made for gaming PC like this one. Absolutely. Okay, I think we're done. What else can I play? Solitaire. I know how to play Solitaire now. It took me forever to figure it out. Oh gosh, frame rates are skipping. I don't like that. It's not as hot as I thought it was gonna be. So that computer is okay. Still laggy a little bit. It could have been worse. Still could be worse. Oh, it's Joker, it's not the Queen. Okay, I forgot the rules. 7, 6 and 5. Yes. Yes. Don't even know. Yes. 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 Are we getting close to a victory? No. I fought. Alright, what do I do? It's quite a bit laggy, you know. I don't even know how to use. Yeah, I cannot use it. Ah, darn it. Ah, this sucks. Alright, where can I go? No, I can't. I'm stuck. Holy crap. I think I'm stuck, guys. I'm not sure. I think I'm stuck. I think. Oh man. You know what? I'll play later. Yeah, what else can I do on that? It's pretty limited. Jeez, Vista is so disappointing. Oh well.